The effective use of parking spaces is critical to a garage operation. For owners, it is crucial to maximize profitability and offer an impeccable experience to customers. The closer a city garage is to shops, theaters, and sports venues holding events, the higher the diversity of parkers on a single day. The combination of opening times and tariff structure defines the variable rates. In modern garages, electronic display panels inform drivers of the currently applicable fare before they pass through the barrier and enter, and throughout the garage. Being able to sell the right parking space to the right customer at the right time allows operators to optimize space's utilization and capture more revenue. How? By creating a dynamic pricing scheme through the parking management software. This way, operators can catch opportunities in high-demand events, forget about static signage and labor to update signs manually, decrease service calls and avoid dependency on vendor for rate changes, offer a flawless customer experience, no display of wrong rates, no queues for assistance, achieve better visibility. Effectiveness depends on the responsiveness of operators, how they adjust the fares to account for differences in demand. For example, differentiating daily rate from special event rate. Through the management software, the operator can set the rate to change automatically, hence no problem on a night event or on New Year's Eve. A dynamic pricing strategy based on occupancy provides quantifiable benefits, both short and long term. Capitalize on peak business periods. Provide incentives to park in underutilized facilities to stimulate demand. Reduce cost of signage and labor. Make special events easier and quicker to manage. Improve customer experience. To make performance data actionable, Hub has developed JMS, the management software that makes monitoring, reporting, analyzing, and predicting easier. A central point to control, adjust, and plan strategy in real time with just a few clicks. Dynamic pricing strategy takes the parking business to the future. Are you ready?